Hello everybody, my name is Beans on Toast, and today we're playing Hunting Season. Now I've played this game before, like most games I've played, but I've barely played this. See, I haven't even bought a new gun. Now, how many animals have I killed in total in this game? Well, 2. I've killed 2. And I have almost $5,000. Now, when did I play this, you may be asking? I don't know. How long will I play this for? You know, I know. It's around 10 minutes. Since that's like the best I can do. The worst and the worst I can do at the exact same time. And these stupid ass grass graphics are lagging my game like fucking crazy. Now, why do I have a limp, you may be asking, in this game? I don't know, I guess I shot myself in the foot or something. Especially with this goddamn grass! I can smell that deer shit from a mile away. I better be around here somewhere. Why did I do that? Exhale. It sounded like I wanted to sniff that deer shit. Now something I want to do. It's definitely kill something. Because if I don't, then this game's just going to be me walking on some path. Now, one time I shot something in the head like 4 times and it didn't die. And then I found its dead carcass 4 hours later. Ooh, a deer track. Very old, and it's a trot, so it doesn't look like I'll be finding that anytime soon. Those are old. I could smell that they were old. These smell kind of fresh. Ooh, I knew it. Oh, but it's a gallop. It's not the best. Recent, but it's also a gallop. But these are also recent, but they're an old. So we're moving on to these. We see here in the Gulligan a house with so much fucking grass like in my game. I can practically smell that deer shit from a mile away. I told y'all! Hold on. Let me listen. Shut the fuck up, deer! I mean, not deer, bird. These binoculars aren't the most effective, especially with that T in the middle of them. Oh wait, I actually do have binoculars. Fuck. My joke is invalid now, bruh. The fucking deer, shut the fuck up after I listened in. Can you scream one more fucking time, bitch? If you don't scream, you're gay. Not that I find anything wrong with gay people, of course. Trying to stay as neutral as possible in this type of conversation. A one-sided conversation at that. Since I know y'all won't comment. Unless you're one of the OGs. I mean, technically all my... Look at that bitch. No, that would be a female dog. That's a female deer. That's a doe, that means. It's It's what you make bread with. Jesus, I'm pulling my mouse across my mouse pad. Fuck, I missed. You can't run from me forever, bitch. I'm vengeance. Oh fuck, they're out of my render distance view. Now, I might have to turn up my sensitivity a little. What the fuck? Hold up. Ah, that's better. Now I lost the trail. Fuck that fucking deer, I'm gonna shoot him. Shoot him dead in the eye. Fuck, I missed. God damn, this sensitivity fucking sucks. There's gotta be one player that deals with this every fucking day. Can't run from me forever, bitch. Okay, I cannot deal with that. Let's turn it to a 1. Yeah, that's a little better, but I want to be able to move my fucking camera when scoped in. How good is this? I mean, it's better. Hate the sensitivity. Like, dog, is it that hard to move your camera a little? Like, just turn your arm, like, 4 degrees to your right? Is it that hard? I know math is hard. Nope, I found somebody. Now I'm gonna sneak in up on the steer. Hello everybody, and today we're gonna be seeing, can I shoot this motherfucker dead? The answer is probably. I miss. Fucker. Where's those deer tracks? Is that it? No. All I know is that motherfucker went this way. That's all I'm probably going to wait. Yeah, this is it. There's no jumping in this game. I figured that out the hard way. Or is there? Fuck, there isn't. Still going this way. It's a gallop. They're bleeding! So I did shoot them in the fucking eye. There's no mic. I was about to tell this man, have you seen a deer I shot? It's there you go. Cause I'm not finding this motherfucker for another minute. Why did the deer have to take the longest way out? Jesus Christ. You couldn't accept your dumbass fate. Stupid deer. Now where the fuck did the tracks go? They're over here for some fucking reason. Maybe he got thirsty. Okay, I could not deal with the sensitivity. Yeah, it's better. Way better than 4. Jesus Christ, how do people live with that? Where was that last footprint I saw? There it was. Now let me track this. Fresh. Oh, he got far enough away, that bitch. That little bitch. Pretty sure if he slowed down, I know he's dead. That stupid bitch, he's gonna die. He, I do not fucking care. They are going to die. Is this really the fastest I can fucking go? I know in real life I can move way faster, even with a gun in my hand. I'm not going after those trails. It probably wasn't shot. Ooh, trying to confuse me, bitch. Hey, I see. Ooh, you tried to trick me up? You can't get the tracking master, they called me. They don't call me that anymore since I can't find this fucking deer. How much blood does this piece of shit have? Oh fuck, the timer. No, I have to find this deer. I'll make exclusion for this. I want the video to end on a high note, man. I thought the deer vaporized. What the fuck? Ooh, it's very recent now. I'm on your fucking tail, bitch. I'll find you, motherfucker. And I'll shoot you 8 more times. Jesus Christ, this entire video is just me chasing a dumbass deer I shot. Oh, it's slowing down. The motherfucker slowed down. One fucking mistake you made. I should probably pick up my gun now. Since it's slowed down, I'm most likely gonna find it. This is the longest it's ever taken me to catch a deer that is going to die. Is that it up there? I can't tell. I was losing my sense of direction. I'll find that shit around here somewhere. I'll find it. Trust me, I will. This game requires a lot of patience and I don't have that. Jesus Christ. Is that shitter? I found it. I found the motherfucker. I'm coming for you, bitch. I'm gonna fucking catch you, and when I do, you're fucking dead. Is he still bleeding? Oh, that motherfucker stopped bleeding. Oh, I'll make you bleed. Trust me, I will make it fucking bleed. I'm gonna find you. And when I do, I'm gonna shoot you in your fucking ass. Maybe I can get 2 shots off on this motherfucker before he runs. You escaped me once. Shame on me. Escape me twice? Shame on you, bitch. can't escape me, Bambi. Fuck. Little shitters keep escaping me. Well, I've run out of time, literally, for this video. So, subscribe, have a damn good day.